and how to bisect the angle, how to draw a tangent to the given circle, given tangent to given line. Okay, these are the topics we have to discuss on geometrical construction. One more thing is curves. That may be curves is including, that is ellipse, parabola, hyperbola, and a cycloid, involute, helix curves will be discussed done in this chapter, that is the geometrical construction. One more thing is polygons. Polygons also we have to discuss in this chapter. Polygons means it is a closed structure. It is having the equal side. First we have to go for, already we have discussed, the line is divided into number of equal parts. Yes or no? Suppose the line length AB is equals to 70 mm. AB is equals to 70 mm. Okay, then this line will be divided into 6 equal parts. This line will be divided into 6 equal parts. Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Draw the line.
Yes, sir.
70 mm straight line.
AB, that indicates the line is defined as the shortest distance between any 2 points is called as a straight line. Okay, then we have to draw the line AB. AB is equals to, this line must be equals to 70. Then this line will be divided into how many parts? 6 equal parts.
6 parts.
Then we have to,
6 parts.
Then we have to draw the
Convenient radius 6 for now.
Okay. We have to draw the any inclination line that is more than the 0 degrees. Okay, then we have to take the convenient radius. Then A as a center. Then we have to draw the
6 arcs.
with same radius. Then we are changing the different centers. We have to draw the how many arcs? 6 arcs on the
6 equal
then
parts.
the last okay, this is 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash. Okay, then the last 6 dash point is joining with B. Then we have to draw the line parallel to B6 dash. Draw the line parallel to B6 dash passing through 5 dash. Next
4 dash. 4 dash, 3 dash,
2 dash, and 1 dash. Then we have to give the line is divided into 6 equal parts. Then we have to go for dimensioning. We have to draw the extension line. Yes or no? We have to draw the extension line. Okay. Then we have to draw the dimension line which is parallel to line AB. Okay. Then we have to give the arrow edge. Okay. Arrow edge. Then arrow edge must be in 1:3 ratio. 1:3 ratio. Here, in the previous class, we have discussed on SP 46, 1988. That indicates the arrow edge sides must be 1:3 ratio. 1:3. This is the Indian standard unit. That is SP 46, 1988. Okay. Then this value is 70
mm.
Okay. You can write as the only value. You cannot write the unit. That is 70. Okay. Next. Okay, this is already we have discussed how to divide a line into number of equal parts. Yes or no? Okay. Then we have to go for how to bisect a line into 2 equal. How to bisecting a line. Okay. This already మనం discussion చేసాం కదా. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Then we have to go for how to bisect a line. How to bisect a line. Okay, we have to take this. How to bisect a line means we have to go for line AB is equal to 70.
AB equal to 70 mm.
And we have to draw the line
radius. Draw an arc.
Okay. Okay. AB. Take more than half, not half. Take more than half radius. More than half radius. Then we have to draw the 2 arcs on both sides. Take more than half. Right? More than half radius. More than half radius. Take A as a center. Draw the 2 arcs on both sides, below the line AB and above the line AB. Again, we have to take the first center is A, second center is B. First center is A, second center is B. Take B as a center with same radius. With
More
same
than
radius.
half of.
Then we have to intersecting these two points. Intersecting these two arcs. Then we have to go for this point is C and this point is D. Then we have to
Join C and D. We can bisect the
bisect line AB. That is equal points. AO is equals to BO.
BO.
This is the line bisecting. Okay. He has given line AB is equals to 70 mm. Take A as a center, more than half radius. More than half radius. Then we have to draw the arcs on both sides. That is above and below the line. Then again B as a center with same radius to intersecting these two arcs, which gives the point C and D. Then we have to joining C and D. Then the intersection of this line at AB is O. AO is the midpoint. AO is the midpoint. Okay, AO is the midpoint. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. That we have to go for only concept, not diagram. We have to not screenshot. Then we have to go for, we have to understand the concept. First we have to draw the line stepwise. Right, written. First draw the line AB. Okay, draw the line AB. Okay. Next point is take A as a center, more than half radius.
More than half of.
More than half radius. Then A as the center, draw the two arcs on both sides. Draw the two arcs on both sides. Again, B as the center to intersecting these two arcs, which gives the point C and D. Then we have to joining C and D. Okay. First A as the center, more than half radius, two arcs draw this end. Next, B as the center, more than half radius, that is which is equals to this. We have taken A as a center. Okay, next intersecting these two arcs, which gives the point C and D. It gives the point C and D. Okay, understood? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood. Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
sir, understood.
Clear.
Next we
Yes,
have
sir,
to go for
super.
how to bisect it. Okay. Next, this is the bisecting the line. Next one, how to bisecting the arc. How to bisecting the arc. Okay, as given, we have to take the 1 point, that is O. Then we have to draw the arc AB with convenient radius AB. As given the arc, then we have to draw the arc. Suppose arc radius is 30 mm. We have to assume 30 mm. Then we have to take O as a center. We have to draw the arc line AB. Then we have to bisecting this arc. Bisecting the arc. Bisecting the arc. Bisecting the given arc. Given arc.
मैं थोड़ी देर खरीदने जा रहा हूँ.
पेंटर हो अरे खरीदने जाता है कहते अम्मी हाँ ना अरे भाई अभी से
Bisecting the straight line method है sir.
Same method. Okay, very good. Same
Arega.
method. Take A as a center, more than half radius. Draw the two arcs on both sides. B as the center with same radius to intersecting these two arcs. Then the point is C and D. Then we have to join C and D. Okay, and the intersection point is O.
Oh.
Same procedure with the bisecting the line. He has given the arc radius, that is 30 mm. Then we have to take the point O. Take A as a center, more than half arc radius. And we draw the two arcs on both sides. With B as a center with same radius to intersecting these two arcs. Which is the arc bisecting. Which is the arc bisecting. Okay. అర్థమేనమ్మా?
ఎస్ సార్ సార్ మీరు ఇది చెప్పిరుగా సార్
Sir.
ఈసారి చెప్పాను.
No, the others.
Vijay Kumar sir.
అయిపోయిందిగమ్మా ఇది.
ఓవర్
సార్ మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్, ఏమైతుంది? రివిజన్ టైప్ ఉంటది.
ఓకే ఇది చెప్తున్నా కదా
సార్. ఓకే
ఇది మళ్ళీ
సార్. అట్లేం లేదు సార్.
ఓకే సార్, ఇది
కంటిన్యూ.
నెక్స్ట్ bisecting the angle. Bisecting the angle. Next topic is bisecting the angle. Okay, given angle. Suppose we are to go for angle to, this is the horizontal line OA and OB. OA and OB. Okay, this angle is we have to take it as 45 degrees. We are taken as 45 degrees. Okay, then we are bisecting this 45 degrees line. Take O as the center. O as the center. Then we have to take the convenient radius. Convenient radius. Okay, we have to take the convenient radius or some radius. Some radius we have to take, that is 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter. Take convenient radius or some radius. O as the center. Draw the two arcs on both sides. On the line OA and OB. Line OA and OB. Okay, OA and OB angle is 45 degrees. Take O as the center. We have to take the R is equals to 2 centimeters. R is equals to 2 centimeters. Take O as the center. Draw the arcs on OB and OA. This point is called as C and D. C and D. Take C as a center with same radius. With same radius. That is 2 centimeters. C as a center, draw the arc. Next, D as a center with same radius to intersecting this point. The intersection point is called as E. The intersection point is.
थोड़ा खा मम्मी मिठा है बहुत वो
This angle bisecting.
कल भी खाए.
Okay, OA line. And means this angle is 22.5. With respect to OA and OE is, this angle is 22.5.
సార్ 45 మళ్ళీ సార్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి సార్. 45 యాంగిల్ ఎట్లా వచ్చింది?
సార్ రేడియస్ షుడ్ టేక్ 2 సెంటీమీటర్స్.
కన్వీనియంట్ రేడియస్. సార్ మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి సార్. యా సార్ కొద్దిగా కన్ఫ్యూజ్ ఉంది సార్.
Okay, first we have to draw the, yes, listen. Draw the OA line. OA line is horizontal line. Okay? Next, we have to use the protractor. Yes, we have to use the protractor or dropper and we have to set the angle 45 degrees. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, this angle put by using protractor or dropper. Okay, we have to measure. Then we have to bisecting the angle 45 degrees. Then we have to take O as a center, some radius. We have to draw the arcs on OA and OB. The intersection point is C and D. C and D. Take C as a center, same radius on the compass. Draw the arc. D as a center with same radius to intersecting this arc. The intersection point is. Then we have to join O with E. O with. This is the bisecting the angle. Any doubt?
సార్ అది 22 నో డౌట్ పాయింట్ ఎట్లా వచ్చింది సార్? అది
22.5.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు 45 ఏమో డైరెక్ట్ డ్రా అన్న సార్. అది
డైరెక్ట్ డ్రా చేసుకోవాలి, ప్రొట్రాక్టర్ తో డ్రా చేసుకోవాలి. నేను ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 45 డిగ్రీస్ తీసుకున్నాను. మీరు ఎంత తీసుకోండి, 30 డిగ్రీస్ తీసుకోండి, 25 డిగ్రీస్ తీసుకోండి.
22.5 ఎట్లా వచ్చింది సార్?
45 బై 2
22.5 ఓకేనా? ఓకే
ఓకే సార్.
దీన్ని తీసుకోండి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ హౌ టు డ్రా ది ఫిగర్. డ్రా అండ్ ఆర్క్ ఆఫ్ రేడియస్. క్వశ్చన్ రాసుకోండి అందరూ, క్వశ్చన్ రాసుకోండి. Draw an arc of radius 24 mm. Draw an arc of radius 24 mm. Passing through a point 80 mm. passing through a point 18 mm away,
साउंड बढ़ाने का
18 mm away, and tangential to
फुल्ली छेदा
and tangential to a line, and tangential to a line 50 mm length, tangential to a line 50 mm length. Okay, we have to draw
Sir,
the
50.
arc tangent 50 mm length. మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను క్వశ్చన్. డ్రా an arc of radius 24 mm passing through a point 18 mm, passing through a point 18 mm away, and tangential to a line 50 mm length. Okay, topic is how to draw an arc tangential to a line and passing through a point. Okay, side heading is to draw an arc tangential to a line and passing through a point. Okay, he has given arc radius r is equals to how much? 24 mm. The arc is passing 18 mm and line here, that is line AB is equals to 50 mm. Okay, we have to draw the tangent tangential to arc to the given line. Okay, he has given 24 mm radius arc and 18 mm to location of the point here, the distance of 18 mm from the line AB. Okay, line length is equals to 50 mm. Okay, దీని ప్రొసీజర్ చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ ఏం డ్రా చేయాలి? ఈ లైన్ కి ఈ ఆర్క్ అనేది టాంజెన్షియల్ కావాలి. ఈ ఆర్క్ వచ్చేసి టాంజెన్షియల్ అంటే తెలుసు కదా, ఈ ఆర్క్ ఇది ఉంది కదా, దీన్ని టాంజెన్షియల్ ఇలాగే ఈ లైన్ ని మనం ఏమంటున్నాం టాంజెన్షియల్ అంటే ఈ ఆర్క్ కూడా టాంజెన్షియల్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా, ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం డ్రా చేస్తున్నాం? ఫస్ట్ లైన్ ఏబిని డ్రా చేసుకోండి. లైన్ ఏబి. ఓకే, ఏబి ఇస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 50 mm. AB is equals to 50 mm. Okay, then we have to locate the point at a distance of 18 mm. Point ఎక్కడ ఉంది? 18 mm distance లో ఉంది. అంటే పైన గీసుకోవచ్చు, కింద పైన గీసుకోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ నుంచి 18 mm distance లో ఒక లైన్ డ్రా చేస్తాం. 18 mm distance లో ఒక లైన్ డ్రా చేస్తాం. ఓకే, ఈ పాయింట్ వచ్చేసి దీన్ని పర్పెండిక్యులర్ తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా, జస్ట్ ఈ లైన్ అనేది లైట్ గా ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ పి అనుకుంటున్నాను నేను, ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ పి అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఓకే, ఈ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ తీసుకొని ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ లొకేట్ చేసుకోండి ఈ లైన్ మీద. ఈ పాయింట్ పి తీసుకున్న తర్వాత ఇంకో రేడియస్ ఎంత
సార్? పి ఏ టు పి డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత సార్?
18 mm ఇచ్చాడు కదా.
18 mm. ఓకే సార్.
నెక్స్ట్ we have to draw the another line. We have to draw the another line which is parallel to line at a distance of 24 mm. At a distance of 24 mm. Okay, at a distance of 24 mm. Okay, this length must be equals to arc radius, that is 24 mm. Take P as a center. P as a center. Next radius is R. R is equals to 24 mm. R is equals to 24 mm. P as the center, 24 mm as the radius. Draw the arc on this line. This horizontal line at a distance of 24 mm. This point is O. This point is O. Okay, this radius must be equals to how much? This radius is R. Okay, this height is how much? 24 mm. Okay, this location of the point is 18 mm. Okay.
Sir, P to R డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత సార్?
ఇది ఆర్ అంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చాడు కదా, ఆర్క్ రేడియస్. ఆర్క్ రేడియస్ ఎంత? 24 mm. Take P as a center, 24 mm as a radius. Draw the arc on line at a distance of 24 mm from the baseline. 24 mm from the baseline. Then intersection of arc and line, which gives the point O. Take O as a center. Take O as a center. R is equals to 24 mm. మనకు R కట్టేది అదే కదా. Draw a tangent arc to the given line. Take O as a center, 24 mm as a radius. Then we have to draw the arc. This is the tangent arc to given line.
సార్ పి నుంచి 24, దాని తర్వాత ఓ నుంచి 24 సార్?
24. ఇది ఆర్క్. ఈ ఆర్క్ అనేది దేనికి, లైన్ కి టాంజెంట్ గా ఉంటుంది. ఈ ఆర్క్ అనేది లైన్ కి టాంజెంట్. ఫస్ట్ మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను చూడండి. డ్రా ది లైన్ ఏబి. ఏబి is equals to length how much? 50 mm. AB is equals to 50 mm. Then we have to locate the point P. ఆర్క్ అనేది ఎక్కడ నుంచి పాస్ అవుతుంది? పాయింట్ P నుంచి పాస్ అవుతుంది. ఈ పాయింట్ P